Hi everybody, this is Debbie from Stamp On It, and this is a jammy video. Jammy video means I can be in my jammies, you won't know, you can be in yours, I won't know, but it's alright. We're just chilling today, and I'm going to go through a product that is really cool, and we've had them in on our website, in our shop before, in our store or our booth, but recently we've kind of ramped them up and we've gotten in some new ones, and we've put together a kit too. So I'm just going to go through it and just show you quickly. These are Mandala or Mandalistick stickers, and it just depends on the company of origin whether they're a Mandalistick sticker or if they are mandalas. Same thing, different name. They come in single sheets. They come in 4 on a sheet. There's only one 4 on a sheet like this. Most of them are single sheets. What I want to really show you today is our new kit. This is a wonderful 8-card kit. Comes with 4 of the single sheet of black mandalas or mandalistics. Here's 2 on this side, and these kits are random. So when we put them together, we put in any 4, and they're usually all different. Any 4 sheets. So in that respect, if you order a kit, you won't necessarily know what the mandalas will be that are in the kit, but you will be able to make at least 8, if not more projects. For example, this one has 4 on one sheet, so you'll be able to actually make 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 out of this. There are 8 scored, pre-scored cards in the kit. Pre-scored means there is a line, an impression, where the card can fold, so it's very simple to fold. Okay, and then also coordinating envelopes, 8 matching coordinating envelopes. Cardstock in our kits is all 80-pound bright white or cream, excellent quality cardstock. Then in the kit you will also get 8 black, cream, or white overlay frames that you can use if you choose to on your projects. I'll show you a couple samples so you kind of have an idea of where I'm going with this. We have a lot more samples on our website. You can check them out. We have more samples in our booth, but our booth is not home yet. And normally I don't talk about what time of year or the situation or anything, even the time of day on my videos, but this one I'm going to. We are in the throes of the coronavirus, and I thought this is a really cool project for those especially that have children at home, and I don't mean just young children, older children, teenagers, even adults, older people. These are excellent projects for them to work on and create possibly cards to send or hand deliver to outside boxes. For people, you know, just let them know you're thinking about them. Sympathy if there's been, you know, deaths in the family, because life goes on, but it's a great way to reach out that way and put our kids and even adults into constructive mode. In the kit is 2 sheets of our glitter film. Glitter film is a sheet of adhesive backed, although in this project you don't actually use the adhesive backing in the glitter film. 2 sheets of that. There are 4, as I said, of the Mandala or Mandalistick sticker sheets. 8 cards pre-scored, 8 coordinating envelopes, and 8 overlays. Now, the overlays and the cardstock, you will have an option to pick and order when you go to our website if you want white cardstock or cream. And then you can separately order whether you want white, cream, or black overlay frames. So those 2 things you will order when you place an order for the kits, all right? And I'm just gonna remove this from the camera because there's a lot of glare, I think, with the plastic packaging. But that's the kit, all right? When you get the kit, you will cut the glitter film, and there are instructions in your kits as well. There's always step-by-step, and it's very detailed instructions on what you're going to be doing with the kit, and of course you can always use your own creativity too. We always encourage that. So you're going to take the glitter film, and if you are using the large round overlays frames, I always cut my piece, whatever it is, whether it's cardstock, glitter film, background paper, to 3 5/8 or 3 3/4 by 3 3/4, and that's a perfect size. And you will actually be able to get 6 or more out of one sheet of glitter film, so you'll have enough glitter film in there if you want to make additional projects, okay? But I cut it to about 3 5/8 or 3 3/4 square. Then you will take and peel off the sticker from the carrier. And when you put these stickers on, they look very detailed, and they are, but yet they're very tough. But just be careful when you put them down. What I always suggest, and you don't have to hit this in the center because you're going to frame it with the overlay, so it doesn't matter if it's off center, but I always try to hit it fairly close to the center. And I will lay mine in with the center first and then let it roll out. Or go side to side, whichever you're more comfortable with. That just keeps it from getting any unnecessary bubbles in it. If you do get bubbles in it before you press it down, you can gently pull it back up and then try again, okay? Once you've got it pressed onto your surface, whether it's glitter film, cardstock, whatever you're pressing these onto, you can even put these onto glass, metal, plastic. We're going to use them on the glitter film that comes in the kit today. Then you can color them in. Now, this is the part where kids, even adults, we love to color. So you can take your permanent markers, and you can use any type of permanent marker. I'm using alcohol-based, Copics, Knorrs work well, but any permanent Sharpies that you get even from like Walmart, whatever you want to color them in with, and you're going to take and start coloring your image in. And it's really kind of easy to color because the sticker is raised, so it keeps you in all the different areas. And you're just going to go ahead and color that sticker in. Now, one thing that we have learned, which is really cool, because this is a non-porous surface that we're coloring onto. If you do this on cardstock, you won't be able to do this. But just say that I put a color in, and I started doing these, and I'm like, oh no, I didn't want to do that, or I put it in the wrong spot. Take a blender, and you would want to use an alcohol-based blender if you are using alcohol-based marker. And with those, you can actually take a blender, a Copic or a Knorr blender, and you can pick that color right back up. And then you would simply clean it off like this, clean your tip off on scrap paper, and then you can go in and take the rest off. So it's kind of a neat thing. It's a little forgiving that way. So you're going to color your entire image in just by coloring. Permanent markers, alcohol-based markers. Here's a couple of samples to show you again. Just, you know, your own creativity can kick in at that point. We even custom colored the stickers on this one. We started with silver stickers and we colored them with the same markers, whether it be alcohol-based or permanent. You can color, and silver stickers color really well. It's a very neutral color to start with, and then you can coordinate them to your design. This one we colored in orange. So that is the mandalas or Mandalistick, the single sheets and the kits. Great project for that stay-at-home time. Make those cards, send them off in the mail to people that need to hear from you, or hand deliver to outside boxes at this time. But it's a great project. The kits are on our website at www.stamponit.net, as are the single sheet mandalas or mandalistics. And right now we are running a special website wide 10% off. Use the discount code WEB, W-E-B as in boy, WEB 2020 as in the year, WEB 2020, and you will also get free shipping on any orders over $30 with that. And we are continuing that until this coronavirus thing kind of quiets down, to give people an opportunity to get some product shipped into their homes. So be creative. Thank you very much, and thanks for listening. It's Debbie at Stamp On It, signing off.